What's up, everybody? So, morning to everyone. It's time to fix this baby up, but basically I'm not gonna do anything crazy. Let me just show you guys what I'm gonna do. I just want to refix this, clean this up because it got that little scuff mark, sand it, whatnot, and get sandpaper, but oh, shouldn't have done that. But basically today's video is going to be just getting everything started. Open the car up. I'm just kind of scared because your boy ain't trying to get bit by any spiders, man. Anyways, open the car up. Whoa. So, inside of my car, it's not too dirty. I gotta clean everything up. See some spider webs over there. Yeah, looks all good, I guess. I'm gonna be repainting the valve, the spark plug cover, sanding it and whatnot, and then my goal is to raise the car higher so I could just replace the emergency brake lines, because the emergency brake lines that I got is for the right car, which is an Integra. I know this is a Honda, but if you guys don't know, my Honda has rear disc. I don't know if you guys could see that. Yeah, you guys can see that, but basically it has rear disc. I did a rear disc conversion, so I'm gonna go ahead and fix that up. And yeah, guys, it's gonna be a very small video. I just want to get everything started, see where the car is at, see if there's anything that I'm missing or anything that I need to fix. Now I gotta do the backs. So the reason why I'm raising the car up is because I'm going to be replacing the trailing arm bushings, and I want to be able to remove the arm and get under the car without having to worry about having little space. So I want to be able to have my arms like that while I'm fixing the car and whatnot. Get things rolling, guys. I know today's video is gonna be a little bit boring, but we're gonna make it work no matter what, guys. So let's do it. Guys, this is exactly what I'm talking about. You guys see that? That's what I'm scared of. Oh, hell no. We're gonna go ahead and kill that. Freaking tripping out. I know you shouldn't be, but yo, that's a fat ass spider right there just chilling. Killed one big spider. You gotta kill the rest. Cleaning up the area, and then probably gonna go out and get some sandpaper, sand the thing, paint it, and start on the emergency brakes. And the next video is gonna be where the fun stuff starts, so gotta push out some videos, right? Ooh, there's another one. Alright everyone, so I'm back. Got sandpaper. I had my old 100 grit, and then I have 1000 and 2000, and then I have 320 and 600. Just bought that. So bought primer. Yeah, I'm just gonna get this thing started. I guess this video is gonna be called getting the Honda ready, because that's technically what is happening. I'm getting it ready. It's just a little intro, right, to my Honda. So basically, so the Honda's my first car. How I got into Hondas is my family, especially my cousins, they were into drag racing and stuff, and you know how that's what it was like in the Bay Area back then. A lot of drag racing, a lot of meets at our local freaking Quicklies, Tap X. For all the people from the Bay Area, you know what I'm talking about. But yep, yeah, you know, and this was when I was first starting to get into cars and stuff, and I was just like, damn, what car should I get, blah blah blah, I want to learn. And my friends were like, you should just get a Honda, blah blah blah. Got a Honda, never looked back ever since. The only thing I hate about Hondas is the fact that it gets stolen so easily, you know. And it's a great car, and I'm not trying to be biased or whatever, but you know, it's a really great car. It's just what sucks is it gets stolen. For anyone that's new, basically this is a car channel. This isn't a Lexus only video, Honda only video. It's just like the journey of like me and my cars, because I think that'd be sick, you know? Like, oh, I remember when Mark had that Lexus or had that Honda, his first car or his second car. Like, look at him now. You know, this is like, it's like humble beginnings, you know? And if I were to tell anyone who's watching this or anyone who's interested in doing videos and whatnot, it would be to document your journey. Oh yeah, so I was talking to my mom, and then there's this part in our house where I want to make it into like a garage area. Well, not really a garage, but a place where I could like fix my car and stuff under the shade, so that way I don't have to just fix my car strictly in the morning. I could fix it any day. I could even work on it till nighttime, and that's what I want to do. So look out for that. I really want to implement that. So when winter comes and it's too cold to fix the car, my goal is to fix that area, have it all cleaned up and ready so I could start fixing the car. Yeah guys, for the Lexus, unfortunately I want to like do hella crazy stuff to it, but I need a reliable car. So this is the plan that I'm thinking about doing, is fix up the Honda, have some fun with it for the last year, sell it, get an actual daily driver where I don't mess with it. But being someone who's into cars, that's practically impossible, right? But get something where I don't have to mess with it too much, and then strictly make the Lexus my project car. I think that'd be so dope. But you know, there's just other stuff that I want to accomplish, but unfortunately I gotta take it step by step. So today is Saturday. If you guys did not know, I'm gonna be fixing the car tomorrow as well. So today's literally gonna be one video, just me talking, introducing my Honda. You know, I've had it ever since I was a senior in high school, and literally everything I know about cars is from fixing my Honda myself. Engine swapped it with the help of my cousin, learned about tires, different types of stuff, and I don't know, man, I feel like Honda is such a great platform to learn about cars, just because it's so accessible, it's so cheap, and literally you don't have to worry about anything else. Alright, so I'm done using sandpaper, 100 grit. Now we're gonna make it more smoother by just shaping it with 320. Obviously I'm not a painter. For what color I'm painting it, I'm just gonna paint it silver gray. Get it to OEM as much as possible. Oh yeah, we're almost at 100 subscribers, everyone. Dude, thank you guys so much. I fucking appreciate it. You know, I remember when I first started my first one, I was just like, dude, I'm not getting any views, I'm not getting any comments. And I told myself, like, after I deleted my first channel, I was like, dude, like, I really want to make a car channel. I'll just keep making videos, and just that one Lexus video that went, in a sense, viral. And ever since then, you know, I was just like, no matter what, I'm gonna comment on people's comments, I'm gonna reply, I'm gonna try to help them even though I don't know it much. I'm gonna try to do research for them. Anyone that's watching, whether you're new, you're old, or you're just watching my stuff, dude, like, thank you guys so much. It means a lot to me. Like, I don't know, it just means so much to me, and if there's a way I could give it back, you know, it would be like to help you guys, whether you guys have problems, questions. You know, this is a learning process, right? And I think it applies to everyone, that we're here to learn, and we're here to grow as individuals. I just want to, you know, document this journey, and it's a learning process, you know? Everyone started off as a beginner. Why is it that everyone should watch the end results of someone, you know? It's so dope to me when you see someone that's coming up where they started and where they're at in the future. That's the most important thing, because I believe a lot of people change, and I feel like I'm not gonna change no matter what, because my value proposition, or my value to you guys, is to just be me, and I'm gonna stay being me no matter what. I'm still gonna comment on everyone's posts or comments. I'm still gonna help support you guys in some way. So thank you for almost 100 subscribers, guys. You guys rock. And then the last one, or almost, is the 600 grit. Go ahead and just smooth it out before primering it. Right now, I just want to get this done, something simple, get the ball rolling basically, and you know, once I do that, it's game over, guys. I think I'm gonna get tires first, just so I can move the car a little bit forward more, and possibly get the LCAs last, because I want to get LCAs. You guys are wondering what kind of LCAs I want to get. I'm looking to get function 7s. Alright, time to primer this, and then unfortunately I can't show you guys because I don't want to get my work camera dirty. It's already dirty because of the sandpaper dust, but we're just gonna primer it, probably 4 layers. I'll probably wait 15 minutes or 10 to 15 minutes in between each layer, and then just paint it. Let's do it. What I'm gonna do now is I'm going to just get everything ready while I wait for the paint to dry. So to remove the e-brakes, what you have to do is, let me brighten this up really quick. Remove that, right? So we're gonna just get a flathead, just prop it open. Get your Phillip, remove these 2 screws, I guess. Down the e-brake should be totally fine. There's a good amount of cobwebs here, but I'm pretty sure the spiders died because there is literally no shiz in here. But just remove the 2 bolts, screws, whatever. And then this arm cover right here, it should just slide right out once everything is removed. Just put that up really quick. Get my hand to remove this. So I'm not really installing anything today except just painting the spark plug cover and just talking about my Honda and whatnot. And it just comes right off. Come on. It says, oh, it up. Remove that. Boom. And just show you guys. That's basically it. We're gonna have to remove these 2 things right here, the cables. So just get your flathead, move it out. I'm gonna do that tomorrow, show you guys. Remove these 2 bolts. And it comes from under the car. We have to go under the car, remove the bolts that are holding the stuff, blah, blah, blah. But, I mean, remove the handle, or we remove the armrest. That should be good. Alright everyone, so now I'm just gonna remove the lug nuts and then just set the wheels aside so that way I could just remove everything quickly, fast as possible, and yeah. Alright everyone, so now it looks good. So I'll just show you guys. It's all grayed out, flat. Only problem is it does have some, let me see if I can show you guys. Come on, show. No focus, okay. Some imperfections. So I'm just gonna wet sand it. Like this area is kind of rough. Wanna wet sand it, and then gonna primer it 3 more times and then go to paint. Obviously I have the clear coat. I don't have clear coat. It's gonna be a problem, but I think I have some laying around, so go ahead and do that. Alright everyone, so I just got done primering. I'll show you guys right now. Looks pretty good. There's only one part that I messed up on. You can't really see it. It's just right there. I didn't really sand that area well, but it's all good. Basically, I forgot clear coat. I don't know where my clear coat is, so I can't paint. I'm just gonna primer it and see where everything is for now. but tomorrow I'm gonna fix the car. Obviously you're gonna see that video maybe next week because it's a weekly type of thing. And yeah guys, sorry for the boring video, just a little quick update how the car looks. If you guys want to walk around, you know, just comment below. Please like, comment, subscribe. And for all the new people and the old people, just remember, it's not a race, it's a marathon. So catch you guys later.